What's up, YouTubers? Today we're going to be talking about the American combination padlock. I noticed on both of these locks that I'm about to show you guys, they both are stainless steel and they are made in the USA. As we unbox this American combination padlock, let's see what it's about. I see that it comes with one piece of paper with a sweet combination on it, and I'm not real sure how old this one is, but it was, let's see, the American Lock Company, established in 1912. This one here is for the world of security, insists of American padlocks. Combination on the top to open, left to right. This one, as I opened up the box, is red, probably for your standard schools, high schools, anywhere that they would have had to put a padlock on their locker. The other lock that I have is the same, but this one here is a blue one, which probably was for the same reason, and it is an older one, had a key to it at one time. The memories of these old padlock combination locks from American, made in the USA, they were particularly hard if you did not know what you were doing when you were trying to open them up with your locker when you were in high school or maybe possibly middle school. If you get the chance to subscribe, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up, get a chance to check out my channel and check out the rest of my crazy things that I like to post on the internet on YouTube. Thank you for watching another in an Antique House. This is another one straight from you.